What's good, YouTube family? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's good? Welcome to the latest edition of Forex Trading with Danny. On the second part, the evening edition of this April the 26th, 2022. It's your man Danny. Checked in with y'all earlier to show y'all what was going on. Just touching back with you guys to give you guys a progress report, so you guys can kind of see what's going on, what I'm looking to happen, what I'm anticipating going on, and we're going to look at some analysis from investing.com as well. If anyone is interested in learning more about Forex, getting coached up, hit me up, holla at your boy. You can email me on my information scrolling below. You can email me DannyGoodman03@gmail.com. Hit me up on Instagram _Danny_Goodman. Follow your boy, shoot me a DM if you're interested. You also want to encourage you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the videos, leave comments, feedback, and also share if you know somebody out there who's interested in investing, interested in Forex. They might find value in the content, so definitely share with anybody you might find or know that might be like-minded. But again, Forex is definitely a great investing vehicle for anyone who has some capital they're looking to make some returns on. We're talking about a multi-trillion-dollar a day industry where literally, billionaires, if not millionaires, $100,000 tens of $1,000s are being made every day. So just depending on your goal, you could be one of those individuals if you learn Forex, you get a good understanding on it, and you discipline it, and you do your due diligence, and you take advantage of great opportunities. But with any investing or investments, it definitely comes with a risk of loss. That's the disclaimer. And even as we go through the charts, we might look at previous setups, previous opportunities, previous signals and stuff like that. But past performances do not indicate future results. So you must do your due diligence. You must be wise about investing, and put yourself in a position to make put yourself in the best position to succeed. But I hope everybody doing well today. Hope everybody had a good Tuesday, and everything has been going smooth for you all. My day was pretty smooth. Work went smooth. Busy though, but got a good workout in, and took care of some. I had to go to the grocery store, took care of that business, and I'm here with you all, tuned in, locked in. But we're going to go ahead and get into the charts and see what's going on. So without further ado, here we go. So here we go. Still in this sale. I have brought my stop loss into profit. So I'm in a situation now where I can't lose. This is the best position you can put yourself in any kind of investment or business or whatever. If you put yourself in a situation where you can't lose, there's no better position to be in. So that's where I'm at right now. So let's see. It kept on making movement down. Let's see. It's currently at about maybe 132 pips in profit. I'm looking to take it to near 200 pips, and it could go. It's looking like it's trying to get like a small little pullback, but it's looking like it's rejecting here. And what I'm anticipating is for it to just keep on rejecting and just go ahead and come on down and hit my take profit. At times like this, though, you gotta make a wise decision and make sure that you're not being greedy, because what could happen is that this could turn out to be some good support. So let me draw a line here. Let me see something, because this could turn out to be some good support, and it could bounce up. You know, it could just rally up, and then me trying to wait out and get to my take profit down here, you know, it could mess around and come up, and then I got some profit, but you know, I could lose out versus me just getting out of the deal right now. So if anybody, you know, if you're checking this out, if you're watching, leave a comment in the chat or on the video and let me know, in this situation, what would you do? In this situation right now, what would you do? Would you get out of the trade right now? Take your money and run with it, or would you go for the gusto? Now, the pro to going for the gusto is you'll get more money, more profits. Though the con could be that it could reverse and go opposite of you, of your take profit, and you end up with less money, less profits, because you were going for more. So if you're watching, leave a comment on the video or in the chat and let me know, what would you do? So let me see. I put a horizontal line right here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to scale out a bit, and I'm going to go back to like 2020 to see if that was a strong support. So there is a lot of support around here. There is a lot of support around here. And you know, what could happen is it could rally back up, you know. So me myself, I'm likely, just because I already know how I am, I'm likely gonna ride it out. You know, I'm gonna ride it out and see what I can get until I get a signal to get out of the deal. Now, something that I might do is I might bring my stop loss into further profit. So even if it rejects and rallies up and takes me out, at least I'll get more profits than where it's at right now. Like, I might bring my stop loss into maybe about 50% profit, so that instead of I said I was at about 130 to 140 pips right now, instead of that, getting just 70 pips. So, you know, that's an option. So we're going to see what happens. You know, I'm hoping that it'll just, you know, continue to reject. It can try to do a little mini pullback, but I'm anticipating it coming on down. But what we're going to do now, we're going to take a look at investing.com. Let me take a look at something. We're going to take a look at investing.com and see, see if what kind of headlines and analysis and news has been updated. So let's take a look. I'm just trying to get everything lined up. All right, here we go. All right, so we're on investing.com. As we see GBPUSD, that's the pair we're watching. It's my favorite pair. It definitely can move when it when there's some momentum and some volatility, as you all are seeing. But it can also go crazy on us and get choppy and all that, as you all have seen as well. But let's take a look at these headlines. So we see GBPUSD slumps 1% as traders unwind BOE rate hike bets. So it was just basically stating the fact that it had slumped down, it had dropped. So let's take a look at something else. Let's see, breaking. GBPUSD breaks 1.26, the figure as risk-off tensions mount. So let's see. Let's go back to the charts. It said 1.26. So 1.26 was around here. So yes, when this candle closed right here, it closed under 1.26. So that's where we're at right now. So let's go back to the headlines, and let's take a look at maybe one more headline. So let's see, GBPUSD hits fresh 21-month lows near 1.26 as US dollar soars. So again, that's what happens when we're looking at so when as US dollar soars. So in this situation, we're looking at GBPUSD. So we're looking at two different pairs going up against each other in value. So we're looking at the Great British Pound versus the United States dollar. So again, if the dollar is more valuable, then the pound is going to go down, versus whenever the pound is a little bit more valuable than, or when it is way more valuable than the dollar, then it goes up. But as we can see, it's been in a nice little downtrend for a nice little while. Most of this year, let's see, yeah, most of this year, the dollar has been stronger than the pound. So it's just continuing this downtrend, and that's why I've just been looking for sales, because I'm seeing this downtrend happening, and I'm just trying to capitalize on every sell opportunity that I can put my hands on. So just gonna be patient. I'm in the trade. Again, I'm likely going to hang tight and let it ride, with the hopes of it continuing to make a move. It's gonna probably try to make a little pullback, but I'm anticipating it coming on down. What I probably will do as well, most likely, I'm going to bring my my stop loss into further profit, so that if for some reason this thing reverses totally on me, at least I'll have way more profit. I'll get at least maybe 50% of the profits that I've seen at the most, which isn't a bad thing at all whatsoever, because again, I'm in a win-win situation right now. I cannot lose. So again, if you're watching, let me know. Leave me a comment. Leave a comment on the video. Leave a comment in the chat. Let me know, what would you do? Would you get out of if you were in this situation, you're in a trade, and you're seeing what's going on right now, it's moving down. You brought your stop loss into profit. You're considering putting it into further profit, so that you're at least maybe about 50% of the profit that you're seeing right now. Though it's, let's see, though it's about 60 more pips away from your goal, would you get out of the trade right now and take your profits, so that you won't risk losing all your profits, or having to discount your profits? Or would you let it ride? So leave a comment. Let me know what you would do. I'll let you guys know what I'm going to do. But God willing, I will be checking back in with you guys tomorrow. And from there, we want to see what has happened. Whether I'm still in the trade, whether I was taken out of the trade because it hit my stop loss, which was in profit, or if it took me out of the trade because it hit my take profit, or I'm gonna throw another monkey wrench out there. If I move my take profit into further profit and I just hung in there because I'm anticipating even a bigger move. So instead of, let's see, so instead of 200 pips, you know, I could possibly move my take profit into further profit, because I'm telling you guys, it's looking like this thing is going to keep on moving down kind of strong. I mean, this is based off my analysis, what I'm seeing and anticipating. And that's why I want to hang into, look at it. It's turning red. Look at that. All that is getting some resistance. It's kind of is fighting, and it was turning red. Y'all probably saw that. Hopefully I did. But yeah, I'm anticipating it just making a stronger move down. So that could be another option that I do. Instead of just letting it hit my take profit where it's at, I could move it on down a little further and even get more profit. So a lot of options on the table, but at the moment, you know, we're in a winning situation. So tomorrow we'll check back in and see what's going on. But yeah, this has been the latest edition of Forex Trading with Danny. Hit me up, holler at me if you're interested in learning more about Forex, getting coached up. You know, if you're looking to maybe capitalize on the markets yourself, you know, taking, you know, seeing if you can make some money, make some returns on your investing, and make some returns on your capital and stuff like that, and you know, put yourself in a position to be financially free. You know, to be your own boss. That's the opportunity that Forex can give you. You know, just like any other investing vehicle, real estate, crypto. You know, if you start a business endeavor, you know, this is realistic right here. Again, this is a multi-trillion dollar a day industry where people are literally getting rich every day. But hit me up, holler at me. My information scroll below. Instagram, email address. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, leave comments, share if you know any like-minded people into investing, Forex, or anything like that. But I'll look to get back with y'all tomorrow evening, God willing. But until then, I hope everybody has a great evening, morning, afternoon, regardless where you're at. You know, when you're watching this video. But until tomorrow, I hope you guys stay safe and healthy, and you take care. I'm out. Peace out.